Hey, we're Ryan and Tor. Like most people, 2020 didn't go exactly as planned. With canceled travel plans, changes in career, and so many other things thrown upside down, we decided to buy a van. Today, we continue the process of converting it into our tiny home on wheels. Thanks for coming along for the ride.
These might be the best jujubes of my entire life.
Whoa. Oh, it's a thing of beauty.
Oh, that's her.
That's good. Little booty pop. Okay, I'm gonna go make a coffee. Cheers. Step one, tape.
Okay, well, once again, looks like you guys completely have it under control. Ready for this?
Oh my word.
No going back now.
You got me the glasses?
We're going to get the reciprocating saw because apparently the guard on this is too wide to be able to cut super accurately up here. Almost halfway done though. Ryan's doing great. Good old Uncle Randy. Thanks, Randy. This is the toy box and the only reason that we've been able to do what we have.
Yeah, let's go.
We live 2 blocks away, so it's pretty convenient. Okay, and we're home, just like that.
I just need you to hold it like this as I cut across.
This is insane. Woo. Well, that was intense. I hope it's totally okay. Okay, you're past me now.
Hello there.
Proud of the whole fam for the window day. Pretty exciting.
So, Dad shaved his beard off today, and the only person who noticed is this one. The wife has not noticed, the son has not noticed. Do people look at me?
Apparently they don't. They look past you.
Apparently.
Right through you, Jason.
I am a wallflower. It's interesting that he didn't trust his wife to do this.
Nope.
Interesting.
It's like 5 degrees out. If I look like I'm being drowned by my clothes, it's because I am. But I'm warm. Try to do the second window, the one in the back.
That was intense.
Can I put these in your ears? That's true love right there.
Ready?
Yes. It's always so scary. Waiting for it to drop because you're like, I think I know how heavy it is, but I'm not totally sure.
Those windows are really good looking, I have to
Aren't
say.
they?
They're really good looking. I like your cute little helper out there.
Already, it just makes such a difference.
Yeah. We're gonna be done for the night after this just because it's getting late and it's really loud. It looks so good.
Yeah, we might as well do another one right now, hey?
Let's do it. Pretty good. I think my back today doing curls.
Oh, what? I'm so...
Thanks, Dad. You okay?
Yeah.
Excuse me, there's dust in my garage.
Yeah, I love you. way.
Let's just go for it, hey? Still square?
Yeah. Stream.
Okay, let go.
Perfect.
Okay, now, it's not done yet.
I know, but still, it's exciting. How proud of yourself are you?
I'm pretty proud right now, I'm not gonna lie.
Thing of beauty.
It's square!
Yeah. Come on.
Thank you.
Give me some
Oh,
love.
thanks for being so encouraging, Randy.
Buddy, you guys are doing so well. You really are doing so well.
Trying.
That is a fine looking cabinet, my friend.
Almost one down.
And way more solid than anything that's in my trailer. For real.
Thank you. Love you.
Thanks, Randy. You have the key?
Yes.
It fits like a dream.
Oh, that's gonna be pretty nice.
I'm so impressed.
Honestly, I'm just surprised.
Nailed it.
Literally. I think we might just do 4 and not do one above the kitchen.
We need kitchen storage.
Okay, I think we're gonna do 5. Okay, so I'm flying solo tonight because Victoria's off with some friends. I'm gonna try to make 2 cabinets tonight. Both are gonna be about 60 inches long, which is twice as long as the one that we built last night. So we'll see how that goes with this big piece of plywood that I have to lift on my own, but I think I can do it as long as I keep it straight and the saw doesn't stop while I'm cutting. So we'll see how it goes for tonight. Oh, that's some heavy plywood. I'm nervous. I did it. Oh, that was stressful. Did it nice and safe.
How's your first cut going?
Good. I cut this whole thing by myself.
Ryan!
So that was good. A little
Yay.
splinter, but
Yeah, just yell if you need anything.
awesome. Thanks, Jason.
You gluing or nailing?
I'm gonna do both. After I find the glue. If you want to move your thumb and hold it here.
Everything's coming up roses.
And I'm gonna glue both of these, and that's
Smart. Yeah, and lined up here.
I'll take that. Hi, Grandma.
Hello.
Guys are busy.
Yeah, working on it.
We have already put in these windows,
Oh, that's great.
and we're gonna put in one more up at the front on the right.
Okay. Well, I really admire you. The challenge you're taking on.
Yeah.
We're learning so much.
I bet you are.
Okay, you want me to come in and make coffee?
Hello.
Looking pretty good.
We've got our heater on, so that's pretty nice.
Oh, you guys are working in style out here.
Working in style. Got our mood lighting.
So look at those cabinets.
gain, baby. I went to Home Depot. I successfully got the cover off of the mattress. I got it out of that bedroom by myself. It's a king. Pretty proud of myself. Pretty out of breath. But now I am going to get the sock thingy off, whatever this is, I don't even know, and then slice her up, which is terrifying. But how bad can it be? These scissors suck. It's okay, you can come on it. It's okay, come on.
Yeah.
What is this? Looks pretty good. I'm very staticky. Oh, that's extremely comfortable.
Incoming. Wow. Oh my goodness.
I know.
What in the freaking frick? Wow. This is the first cut?
No.
Look at your label.
Pretty good.
Yay!
Not bad.
Terrible. I mean,
No,
not great.
that's totally fine, Tori. That's great.
Totally. Hey, yours is way better than mine. Way better. Good job, you're the winner. No one's surprised. Let's go get ice cream. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Hey, can I get a small score blizzard and a medium Reese's Peanut Butter Cup blizzard? Add cookie dough, please. Thanks so much. Take care.
Ryan, are we gonna do any more work tonight?
I'm gonna be pretty lethargic after this. So no?
Fair enough.
Recording.
Oh, was you recording the whole time? I was telling stories.
Of course you were. Good boy! Yep. Good job. Surely that was not nearly as awkward as it looked, right?
The amount of times as an adult I say righty tighty lefty loosey is pretty embarrassing.